Hi boys, welcome to your maths lesson for today. We are going to be moving into our next unit of work, beginning with lines. So today you will be writing down definitions of various types of lines. You will draw a picture to go along with that. You will complete a Google quiz and also a Google Doc. So please make sure that you have paper, pencil, a ruler, an eraser, and colored pencils if you have them. So go grab those now and pause this if you need to. So, a bit of an introduction to lines. Now, in mathematics, the word line always means a straight line. It does not include curves such as circles and squiggles. Lines go on forever. We cannot draw something that goes on forever in both directions. So we draw part of a line called a line segment and imagine it going on forever. We are going to look into them today. So on your fresh piece of paper, which you will eventually glue into your maths book when you get back to school, you will need to write down the name of the line, the definition, and draw the purple image that you can see on the screen. So please make sure this is nice and neat, and you'll need to pause after every slide to make sure you get it down nice and neatly. So firstly, horizontal line. Now, the definition that you need to write is straight line left and right. And please draw a horizontal line. As you can see, this purple line is horizontal. It doesn't have to be purple. Now, some real life horizontal lines include a gymnast's beam, looking out at the horizon at the beach, a builder who uses a spirit level to make sure the top of a door frame is horizontal. So there are a few examples there. So pause now if you need to. The next line you need to write down is a vertical line. Now, the definition is that it is a straight line up and down. Please draw this purple line as well with a ruler. Now, some real-life vertical lines include this plumb line, which is what a builder would use, a skyscraper, perhaps the vertical blinds in your home. So the next one to add to your paper are perpendicular lines. Now, these are lines that meet at a right angle. And in the image you can see that you will also draw, there is a right angle here, okay, 90 degrees. So some real-life perpendicular lines would include lines on a handball court, perhaps some bridge frames, which you can see here. Okay, many flags, such as Sweden's flag. Next is the diagonal line, and that's a straight line corner to corner. And please draw in this diagonal line as well. And some real-life diagonal lines include this kind of bridge frame design that they have here. This is a bookshelf, okay, with diagonal lines. This railway crossing is also diagonal. Now, parallel lines, these are lines that will never meet and are always the same distance apart. So some real-life images that we can think of with parallel lines are these train tracks. Okay, they're never going to meet unless, of course, they cross over with another track. The double lines that we can see on the road. Hendry track, okay, those lines are never going to cross. So please make sure you have the definition down and this image. And lastly, intersecting lines. So lines that cross but do not make a right angle. We can see in this image here that that is not a right angle, nor is here. Now, some real-life intersecting lines include crossing train lines, so two separate tracks that might cross over. Spokes on a bike wheel, they are intersecting. So please get that down. Now, your tasks for today include completing the identifying types of lines quiz, and that is on today's slides. You can access that form. Secondly, please complete the questions in this doc. Now, in this doc, the first 5 require you to type your answer, but you need a pencil for the next 2, and you will also need coloured pencils if you have them. Now, once that has been completed, you can go to Manga High and look for recognize parallel and perpendicular lines under the assigned tasks tab. Okay, good luck, gents.